Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp call unavailable. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list. And here you need to search for the WhatsApp. Click on that, and here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store, and here you need to search for the WhatsApp. Click on that, and you need to update your WhatsApp by clicking here, and after that your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.